Okay, in this video I'm going to be showing you a few more of the configuration options in the program. First of all, when you first start it, if you want to take over the entire screen, if you just click on the FS or full screen no border, and there you go. Now we're going to click over on the configuration tab. As you see here, we've got sound effects, and as it says here, you can trigger them by holding down the Alt key and pressing the 1 through 9 and the 0 key. That is at the top of your keyboard, not the numeric keyboard. Or you can trigger them right here, just press the button. Now to pick a sound effect, just click on the three dots and just go to wherever you've got your sound effects. So in this case I'm going to go to a directory called sound effects, and okay, I've already got applause and phone ringing, so maybe let's say I wanted to put well, let's put flush and toilet in there, but let's say we wanted to use Alt 0. Somebody's got a birthday, you just want to play a whole song, so we can set up Alt 0 to play happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
This red tab here where it says stop S effect, that stops sound effects, so just click on it if you want to stop it. Okay, back to the configuration. Down here you can set a reminder. The most useful thing is to set it for last call, whatever time the bar does last call. Click on set reminder and wait for that time to queue up, but it could be somebody wants you to make an announcement at 10 o'clock at night or something. Remember, it's in 24-hour format, so if it's going to be at 10 p.m., it's going to be 2200 hours. Toggle title, artist, and playlist is just to switch the columns down. Support Windows themes. The program does support Windows themes to a certain extent, but it's a little flaky, as you can see here, but we do have a way under settings to change the actual colors of the windows. You can create a spreadsheet file of either your karaoke songs or the bad songs list. And for example, if you want to create, you going along and you're playing a song and maybe you find that this version of the song is a bad song. If you right click on it, just mark as bad. It'll be taken out of your song list. It's not deleted. But now if I go back here and I create the bad song CSV file, it's already open. Just a minute here. I have to close the spreadsheet. Okay, so if I want to create the bad song, it's created a comma separated value, which is a type of spreadsheet. So, and it's created, it tells you where it's created. In this case, I'm going to double click on the file it just made, and then I'll show you. As you can see, the song we just marked is indicated in the on the spreadsheet file. Okay, check for updates, goes to my website and downloads the latest update, closes the program. Display ads, 3 lines are ads that run along the bottom of the Singer monitor, so if you're showing them out in the bar, you can put ads for the bar, you can put ads for yourself. You can also show the singer names in the same window. It scrolls along at the bottom of the window. So you've got show display ads, show singer names. You can also show the now playing the song. This is just, you just go ahead and edit it to whatever you want. Adobe Reader default PDF handler. If you have a song where you've got an MP3 or a MIDI file and you want to put the lyrics on a PDF file, you can use this. You do have to scroll through the PDF file to move the words, but it gives you one way of displaying a song that you don't have any graphics on. Singer screen, full screen, pretty self-explanatory. Turn off the singer screen if you're only using a single screen. Interactive search. If you've got a lot of songs and you find that as you type, the machine kind of gets behind you a bit, so you type a letter and it takes a second for it to catch up with you and it kind of bothers you. If you unclick this, and my preference is to use the space for an interactive search. So for instance, if I type George Jones stopped, I'll type George, and as soon as I hit the space, it'll show all the Georges in my list. And then when I go Jones and space, it's going to show all George Jones songs. And then when I go stop, it's going to show any songs that was stopped in it. Hopefully that's He Stopped Loving Her Today. Save daily playlist. The computer will record every song that you play, both DJ and karaoke. It'll show the names of the singers karaoke, just so you can keep track of it. Show now playing is pretty self-explanatory. Preview window. That's the window. Just a minute here. We'll turn it on. That's the window that'll pop up here if I play a song. Now by flipping that off, as you can see, it just gives you more room for your rotation. You can change the rotation font size. Now here, these are they're good but dangerous commands. Do not ever do this while you're running a show. If you delete your karaoke duplicates, it's going to look for exactly the same file name, and it's going to delete the first or the second one it finds. So if you've got 2 copies of Sound Choice 1, 2, 3 and whatever the song name is, it will delete the second one. Now if one is Sound Choice 1, 2, 3 track 0, 1, and then it's artist title, and the other one is Sound Choice 1, 2, 3 title artist, it doesn't realize that's the same song, so it won't delete them. But if the file name is exactly the same, it will delete one of them. Basically the same thing with delete DJ duplicate files. TV wallpaper is for displaying the like a slideshow on the singer screen. So you can pick the wallpaper directory, fill it with shots, whatever you want, pictures of your customers, or it could be some advertising you want to put up. No title bar. Make sure that there's no title bar across the top on the singer screen. Do not stretch wallpaper. You can play around with this. If the wallpaper looks a little distorted, like stretched, just uncheck this. The background interval, this is a slider that goes from 0 to 60. At 0, of course, it's not going to change. It's just going to stay with the very first picture it uses. And if you look at the top right hand corner, you'll see that the time is indicated in a little box. Like right now it's 18.1, and I can go all the way to 60 seconds between songs. And that concludes this portion of the video demonstrations. Thank you for watching.